I am so happy to be here in Brazil speaking to you about the intersection of resilience and happiness. Resilience is the capacity to adapt well, adapt healthfully to stress or trauma, loss, and also to adapt well to opportunity. Happiness, or the study of positivity, brings to us an understanding that the most resilient of us have within themselves a scaffolding of positivity. This does not mean that we ignore the negative or we deny the failures that we are experiencing. It means that we see those failures and we pay attention to the negative from the lens of what is good and strong within us and around us, what can be built from those strengths in our teams, in our executives, in the entire organization, or in our families at home. Resilience, you see, is not a fixed state. It's the capacity to build within ourselves a focus of attention on what is good, what builds capacity, and what brings us to the wisest decisions. So resilient folk are always learning and growing. We are always paying attention to what worked well and what could be done better. Imagine that you have a difficult conversation ahead of you with one of your employees. Or imagine that another division has had a sudden failure which affects your division. These moments of sudden change and upheaval or moments of stress are common. And what we know are that the most successful people in business navigate these moments with clarity, with capacity, with a sense of experimentation about let's try this time and see what works best, and also with an appreciation that at any time we can choose to focus on what will move us forward, or we can choose to stay stuck in what has been broken or what has failed. The choice is ours. Resilience is available to anyone at any time who is willing to learn, to experiment, and to invest in the positive.